As we mentioned in a previous video, a playbook is a YAML file containing a list of one or more plays. Remember that a single play is an ordered list of tasks to execute against hosts selected from the inventory. Therefore, if a playbook contains multiple plays, each play may apply its task to a separate set of hosts. This is useful for cases that you want to execute a play task on group A and some other play tasks on group B. For example, in the exam, you will be instructed to create some tasks for a group named web servers and another group and some other tasks for another group named load balancers. You could achieve this by using multiple plays inside the same playbook. In order to explain more, this is a playbook file, the YAML file, which contains only one play. The play has the name install and start Apache HTTP server and targets host clients. That is also mentioned on the inventory. This play contains three particular tasks. The first task will go and install HTTPD package. The second task will copy the index file in the destination in this location on the client machine. And the last task of the play will enable and start the Apache web server. So this particular playbook includes three tasks, but this playbook could also have another play inside it. So I should start another play in the exact same location and instruct it to be applied on particular host. If I wanted to create a new play, in this particular example, I should start and write here play number 2. And also instruct on which host this will be applied. Let's now see another example that is also located on GitHub, which is called multiple plays. This playbook contains two plays, one with a name playbook 1 and the second one with a name playbook 2. The first play is executed against localhost as also the second one. This is a sample play that only displays a print message. The same applies for playbook 1 and playbook 2. If I run this particular playbook, we will see that the two plays will be executed against the targeting hosts, and I will get two print messages. I could also change the hosts here and, for example, add client's machine.